We've had a great little morning, haven't we?
Oh, you can hang on to him a bit longer if you want.
No, I need to start my shift as much as I would love to cuddle him all day.
Yeah, I need to get ahead of myself for Thursday as well. I'll see you later. See you in a bit, baby.
Bye.
Ah, at least he's got one consistent fella in his life. Not his dad, though, is he?
Sounding like your mum.
That's because we agree on something for once. Look, Kane could be a good dad if you just gave him a chance. Look how he is with Kyle.
OK, I'll let him spend a bit of time with him if it's going to make you happy.
Really?
Yeah, but it means you're going to have to take him now.
What, no, I didn't mean today. It's just, well, I'm working and Kane's not here.
Aye, but I might change my mind tomorrow.
Maybe I could help.
Honestly, how are you going to keep your brain on cow pellets when you've got this little one waiting? Hey, hello.